What's up YouTube? I am Nitish, and in this video I'm going to teach you how to create bokeh effect using an app called Pixlr. So before I start this video, let me tell you I'm not promoting or being paid by any of this. It's just a personal preference. So without wasting any time, let's begin. First click this app and then select the option photos, and I'll select this photo. Then you can see in the bottom of your screen one solid sphere and one hollow sphere. Click this and then click blur. Now it will blur the whole image, as you can see. Now as you can see on the top corner of your screen, right corner of your screen, uh, a rubber option, click it and then go through your edges slowly using your fingers. I'm going to show you a little bit faster. You can do it slowly, and I'll show you how to give finishing touch to your photos later. So you can zoom as well if you want to. So that's it. Now click this brush if you missed some edges, if you missed edges which are not blurred or which went. Yes, like this. Just tap slowly into the edges. Now yes, now it is looking quite good. So that's it. Now you have your bokeh effect. Now click this tick again, green tick, and then the down tick, that is this one, and then click done. Save it to the max resolution. It will save your photo. Now you have your own bokeh effect without having an iPhone or Pixel 2. So if you like this video, found it useful, just give a thumbs up and don't forget to subscribe. And I'll see you in my next video.